Hi, welcome back to this kitchen site. The dummy beam, they have made the structure with the gypsum sheets. You can see that. So they have to make a stencil for this constructing this cornice. Tomorrow they'll do that. They are on leave today, and then you will see the finishing after that. You can see it from the other side also. This cornice design has to continue here, so they are going to make this cornice at the site, or probably they'll just take the design and make a copy. Yeah. And before anything happens further, we need to change the rod of this old fan, put a new rod, and this is an extra long rod of 18 inches. Normally what you get with the fan when you purchase is about 10 inches, 10 to 12 inches. So I bought an 18 inches rod. So our electrician will fit that rod, and then the ceiling opening can be reduced and finished in a circular cut. And he'll put back this old fan temporarily till the painting and everything works get over, and then we will fix the new fan. Okay, that's all for today, friends. See you again very soon, hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.